Hi, lately I've been feeling lost at work. I'm not sure exactly what's expected of me. Some days I'm told to focus on one task, but the next day priorities change without explanation. I'm not clear on which decisions I can make on my own and which ones I need approval for. It's stressful because I don't want to disappoint anyone, but I also feel like I'm wasting time trying to figure out my place.
Today's story is about a challenge many employees face. My role isn't clear and it's making me confused. Yes, it's frustrating to sit in the meeting wondering, wait, am I supposed to do this or that? Or to feel that twinge of panic when someone asks for a task you weren't expecting. It's normal to roll your eyes, mutter a mental seriously, or sigh heavily. But acknowledging that reaction quietly can help you regain focus and approach the situation strategically. Organizational behavior research calls this role ambiguity. It happens when expectations, responsibilities, and authority levels aren't clearly defined. Studies show that role ambiguity is linked to lower job satisfaction, reduced performance, and higher stress levels. Why? Because our brains crave clarity. When we don't know what's expected, we burn mental energy guessing instead of focusing on the work itself. It can also lead to conflict. When two people think the same task is their responsibility or not theirs. The good news, you can take proactive steps to reduce role confusion, even if your manager hasn't provided a perfect job description. Here are three quick practical tips. First, clarify expectations directly. Ask. Ask your manager specific questions. What are my top three priorities this quarter? Or in which situation should I make the decision versus escalate? Second, document your scope. Write down the tasks, responsibilities, and decision boundaries you've discussed. Share it with your manager so you both have a clear reference point. Third, align with teammates. Check in with colleagues whose work overlaps with yours. Agree on who owns what to avoid duplicated effort or gaps. To sum up, clarify, document, align. Clear roles reduce stress, prevent conflict, and help you focus on doing your best work.